with the CEO saying that he will remain open to Musk's input. Mornings with Maria is live right now. And it is time for the word on Wall Street. Top investors watching your money. Joining me right now is Bull-Tick Capital Markets Chief Strategist Catherine Rooney Vera, Nicholas Wealth Management President David Nicholas, and Michael Lee Strategy Founder Michael Lee. Great to see everybody this Monday morning. Thank you so much for being here. Mike, kicking things off with you with a market that is lower ahead of a big earnings season on top of the negative performance last week. Take a look at stocks down and yields up. The 10-year yield right now jumping to the highest level since March of 2019. What are you expecting from markets as we await the first quarter earnings releases?
Yeah, well, I think the big news this week is the inflation number, and I think we're going to have a pretty good earnings season, but this is the earnings, remember, is something that already happened, and I don't know what type of guidance we're going to get. I bet it will be relatively okay, but everything right now is yield curve related. We had inversions on the 2s, 10s, inversions on the 2s, 30s, which isn't a perfect recession indicator, but it's about as close as you can get. So those recessions can be up to 3 years away from that inversion, and stocks could do fairly well between now and then. So I'd say at the moment, I'm not necessarily bullish, not necessarily bearish. I'm just cautious. I like the defensive sectors. I'm buying energy on weakness. I like utilities, consumer staples, and starting to add some healthcare. I think that what really needs to be watched is how the yield curve looks. We've had the 2-year Treasury go from 20 basis points in September to 2.5, 2.6%. If we keep seeing this steep ascent in interest rates, that's going to harm PE multiples across good stocks, bad stocks, and everything in between.
Yeah, well, we're watching that for sure. Catherine, I'm wondering if one comment we get out of this